Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a comparison of Glide apps and Framer. So let's get started. Glide apps versus Framer, no code showdown. Glide apps or Framer, which no code tool builds better apps and websites. This is the second face-off reviews the winner for speed, design and power. It is perfect for entrepreneurs and designers. Do you need to build an app or a website fast? Glide's app and Framer promise no code magic, but which one actually delivers? Let's do this in 60 seconds. When it comes to the feature they are best for, Glide apps is best for mobile apps, while Framer for websites. So the winner, it depends on if you're using a mobile app, if you want a mobile app or a website. It depends on you. When you look at the learning curve, Glide apps is easy peasy, while Framer has a steeper learning curve. So the winner, definitely Glide. When you look at design freedom, Glide apps gives you a limited design freedom, while Framer, pixel perfect. So the winner, definitely Framer. When it comes to data handling, Glide apps uses spreadsheet powered, while Framer uses custom databases. So the winner, Glide. When it comes to interactions, Glide app has a basic interaction, while Framer has advanced animations. So the winner, definitely Framer. When it comes to price, Glide apps has free plan available, while Framer is more expensive. So the winner, Glide. So you see, Glide is equal to king of quick mobile apps, but Framer, website design dreams. So if you need simple, go for Glide. If you want something fancy, go for Framer. So Team Glide or Team Framer? Comment below. Smash like if you saved you no code. If this saved your no code journey, and subscribe for more 1-minute tech battles. Don't forget to comment on which no code tool saved your project.